Reference to context. The Pandavas pursued the animal, but it was a magic deer, which sped in great leaps and bounds, decoying the Pandavas far into the forest and then disappeared. When and where did this incident happen? This incident happened in the sage's ashram near the forest, where the Pandavas were completing their 12 years in exile. In the same answer, you change the line and you continue writing. It happened when a deer, which was rubbing itself against a fire kindling motor, started to flee in flight after getting the motor entangled in its horn. Why did the Pandavas pursue the animal? The Pandavas wanted to retrieve the motor for the sage and chase the deer when it disappeared. How did the Pandavas feel when the animal disappeared? The Pandavas felt very disappointed when the animal disappeared. They felt that they could not even render the simple service to the sage and that they have degenerated to this extent while in exile. Next, number 3. There was surely magic about it. Describe the scene where Yudhishthira's eyes. Describe the scene before Yudhishthira's eyes. What comparison does the narrator use to describe it? When he reached the pool, Yudhishthira saw all 4 of his brothers lying lifeless. Same answer, next line. They were like secret flagpoles thrown here and there after a festival. What was his first reaction on witnessing the scene? Yudhishthira's first reaction on witnessing the scene was to overcome with grief and sadness. Why did Yudhishthira came to the conclusion that there was something magical or superstitious about the event? Yudhishthira came to the conclusion that there was something magical about the event because he knew that the world held no warrior who could overcome his brothers. Also, there were no wounds on their bodies, and their faces were at peace, and not like those who died in pain. There was also no traces of the footprints of any enemy. Number 4. What is the loss which yields joy and not sorrow? Who asked this question and to whom? The Yaksha at the pool of water asked this question to Yudhishthira. What is the reply given to this question? Yudhishthira answers that it is anger, losing which would yield joy and not sorrow. To what extent do you agree with the reply? Support your answer with a reason. It's true that anger is a bad thing. Losing anger would make one calm and composed and would enable one not to hurt anyone through words or action harshly and hastily. This would in turn make one happy.